Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a beautiful drawing of a human figure. Let's start the drawing of a girl. I'm starting the drawing from the top. First, we're going to draw the outlines. Then we're going to do the details. So you can see here, I'm just putting the outlines. All right, and you can see there's a clear outline here. Okay. All right. So these are the curved lines. First, we're going to draw the hair on the top. This is the face. So we're going to draw the eyebrows. All right, so you can see the outline is going on very well. Now we're going to put the drawings, making the dress on the top part. All right. And the hand, you can see it's reaching to the top positions. Okay. All right. Here I'm going to draw the fingers of the hand with a very smooth, nice and easy. All right. And the dress is again I'm going to draw. You can see the curves and the wrinkles of the dresses. All right. So are the parts of the traditional dress, you can see. All right. and the extensions of the dress is just falling on the other side, you can see. Okay, so for the freehand drawing you just have to practice drawing different lines efficiently so that you don't need any instruments. That's the basic idea. So without instruments you can draw like any shape, any way you would like to draw. Okay. Now we are going to put the hair in-depth shades. So putting the shades with the pencil. This is a 6B pencil. Okay. The drawings here is not edited or it's not done fast forward. So you can see that it's the real-time drawing without editing. So how much time it's going to take to draw this kind of real picture. Alright, now I'm going to draw the lips with the red color. Alright, you can see the eyes, those are the black, and the eyebrow is a deep black color. Alright, so you can see the shades, very light shade, not that much deeper. Okay, so I'm erasing some parts. Okay. Alright, after that we are going to put the red color for the dresses she is wearing. It's a red dress. So let's put the red lead shade. Okay, the shades is going to be of red color. All right. So this type of ribbon structure is going to be the very deep color, putting the depth in the color. Also going to the next part of the dresses, putting the shades, and again going to the other parts, putting the shades again. Okay. Alright, so the red color is going to be all over the all over the dresses here. Now let's put the deep color to the other parts. And the upper part is going to be another color, which is like the green color. The green part is already done. You can see the color combinations. This is very fashionable dress. Okay, all right. Okay, now for the body color, let's put the orange color. All right, so you can see the colors and the variations of the dresses. And also putting the orange color here for the back. And the hands. Okay. Now few colors left and we're going to put it for the face. Okay, all right. As you know, this is a very basic drawing and the sketch, so not everything's perfect, but overall we try to make it a good presentations. And I hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. After putting all these drawings, we're going to have a final look. All right. All right. So this is the drawing. I hope you like the videos. Let's have a nice outlook. All right. So this is it. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day.